Hey guys, welcome back. So as you can see, still no area rug. I'm still searching. I would like to find one in store so I can actually see what it looks like and how it feels instead of ordering it online. But yeah, I'm gonna head to At Home and a few other stores. You know, not really trying to shop for a bunch of decor, but I do want to see what's new since I'm going to be in the area, and all of these stores like Ross and Home Goods, TJ Maxx, all of these stores are in the same like area. But yeah, let's head to At Home and see, see what I can find. All right guys, so I am at Home looking for the rug. I don't see anything yet. Oh, wait a minute. I said I didn't want any like geometric design, but I love this. It's just like my pillows too, but it's not the right color. This is really pretty. I wonder if it's too stripy though. I just took it down, guys, and I don't think I like it. I don't think I like this. Nope. Okay, here's another one that, it's kind of dark, but $250 for the 7x10. No, that's not giving me the look that I want. I don't see any more designs. They might have more like inside of here, but usually like what you see hanging is what's inside of here. Alright guys, I am at Home Goods and I'm just gonna browse around the store. This is really pretty. I'm not crazy about red, but this is beautiful. These chairs. Oh, these are nice. I like that. This is really pretty. And look at this, guys. This is from Inspire Me Home Decor's line. This is really nice. She has 2 different colors in the store. It's a pretty good price. I like it. I would buy it, but I don't really need it. Let's see what else is new. Oh, look at this bowl. This is heavy. Where's the price tag? Oh, $24.99. That's nice. What's this? It's cute. Oh my goodness, look at that rug. That is so pretty, but $400? Oh, that's pretty, but too much blue. What's this? Look at this one. These are so cute. Oh, look at this. Look at that. That is nice. That is so pretty. $29.99. Oh, this is a pretty globe. Look at that. That is beautiful. Let's see the price. $24.99. This is so nice. I love this color. This is so beautiful. I cannot wait to do my bedroom. Oh, they have 2? I could use these as nightstands for my bedroom. What's the price? Oh my goodness, it's on sale for $135. Are you serious? Oh, it's damaged. Look at that. There's damage. This is really pretty too. I like that. That's nice. They are definitely ready for spring at home. Definitely ready for spring, guys. So many pretty flowers. Great for those of you who cannot keep real ones alive, like myself. This is pretty. This one is really pretty. How much is it? 20? That's not bad. That's cute for succulents. I'm at Ross now, and look at this really pretty chair, guys. Look at this pretty chair. It has some really nice items. That's nice. I love that color. Tables. Let's see if I can find a rug here. I don't usually buy rugs from Ross, but let's see if I can get lucky. That's pretty. What's this? I need to see this one. 6x9. It's the right size. Oh, this is the design that's on it. I don't know if I like that. Can you guys see that? I don't know if I like it. I mean, the price is nice, $75. Oh, look at this, guys. This is pretty. $25. That's nice. Put two side by side and it'll look so beautiful. Oh, that's nice too. It's really cute for a little girl's room. These are Glam. Let's see what's behind it. Oh, that's cute. This is huge. Oh, okay. Oh, look at this. This is cute. I like this. Alright guys, I'm back home and I did pick up a few items. Not too many, but I went over to Ross and found this really beautiful wall decor. That is so nice. I do plan to use this in my bathroom. I haven't started on like the master bathroom makeover. We're still waiting to hear like a word on if we're going to be getting relocated, but yeah, it might be, you know, another couple of months before we hear anything as far as my husband's job. But that's why I really haven't like been doing anything with the bedroom or showing you guys that. But I do plan to paint. I do want to at least paint and get that dark color off of the wall, because even if we like rent the house out or sell the house, I don't want it to have that color on the wall when we're trying to list it. But anyways, so I picked this up and I have these flowers for the nightstand I want to use in the bedroom. Even if we move, I'm going to be using these items in like the new place. But have these flowers. I got them from Kirkland's. They're so pretty. They were on clearance. Let's see if I can get the tag. Where's the... Okay, they were on clearance. Oh, here it is. So they were on clearance for $16.97 with an additional 25% off. And I think they're really cute. I really love the vase. That is so nice. And I have some soap dispensers for the master bathroom. Then I picked up these items for the coffee table. Actually, I want to do, you know, some styling for Easter, but I don't want to go overboard with decorating the house for Easter. So I just figured I'll add, you know, some items to the coffee table. And I went over to Home Goods. Oh, these are from Ross. The soap dispensers are from Ross. Let me show you guys the price. The soap dispensers are $7.99. Oh, this wall art is $19.99. Really good price. It's so pretty. The bunny is $6.99. I believe this one is $6.99 as well. Yeah, $6.99. And then I went over to Home Goods looking for some rugs and just browsing. Came across this candle holder. Really pretty. It is $12.99. I just think it looks so nice. I really want to find a second one. I'm hoping I can maybe go to a different location and find a second one. But I just picked it up because I just couldn't help myself. This is so beautiful. But these are the items I picked up. Not a lot. I didn't go crazy in the stores today. I do like to rotate my decor and switch stuff out. And I'm just starting to get tired of some of my really old pieces. So, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.